Hi everybody, Mark with Columbia Crawlspace here to show you how to have a clean, dry, healthy crawl space. The key to a healthy crawl space is to establish complete control. Let me show you the most efficient, affordable, code-compliant way to do this. First, we install a sealed heavy white vapor barrier to prevent moisture that is inherently in the ground from entering the crawl space. Next, we install 1.5 inches of closed-cell foam on your foundation walls, sealing up all the cracks. Then we foam any holes in the subfloor. So at this point, the crawl space is essentially a sealed box. Nothing is allowed in or out without permission. Next, we want to introduce dry conditioned air into this crawl space. We do this by installing a supply register in the supply side of the HVAC unit. We have blocked out moisture, and now the crawl space is receiving dry air. It is becoming very healthy. The dry conditioned air is eventually pulled underneath the vapor barrier by our exhaust fan and is exhausted out of the crawl space, taking contaminated air with it. This process keeps the crawl space air turned over and fresh. It prevents harmful smelly air that could contain mold spores, radon gas, etc. from ever entering the healthy crawl space. This process that we have just illustrated is more affordable, more easily maintained, as there is no dehumidifier and pumps involved. It is also what is prescribed in the 2012 International Residential Code. The supply register here in the Southeast will cost the average homeowner less than $50 per year. This crawl space will be a true asset to your home in health, energy efficiency, and appearance. Call us today at 931-982-5310 to get your healthy crawl space.